Cherishing every moment, understanding to treasure memories. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a heartwarming phrase that holds a lot of emotional value: to treasure memories. Stick around to discover not just its meaning, but also how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations to express your feelings more deeply. To treasure memories combines two key words: treasure and memories. Treasure, as a verb, means to hold something valuable or to keep it safe because it's very important to you. Memories, on the other hand, are recollections of past experiences or events. So, when we put these words together in the phrase, to treasure memories, we're talking about holding past experiences close to our hearts and valuing them as precious parts of our lives. Memories play a crucial role in our lives. They help us remember the people we love, the lessons we've learned, and the experiences that have shaped us. By treasuring these memories, we keep the essence of those moments alive, allowing us to revisit them and feel the emotions associated with them all over again. It's a way of connecting with our past, honoring our experiences, and acknowledging how they've contributed to who we are today. You might use this phrase when sharing stories about your life, expressing gratitude for past experiences, or consoling someone who's missing a loved one. Here are a few examples. I treasure the memories of our time together. This photo album is full of moments I deeply treasure. Even though we're miles apart, I treasure the memories we created. Using this phrase adds a layer of emotional depth to your conversations and allows you to express your feelings more meaningfully. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the phrase, to treasure memories, a little more. It's a beautiful way to express how much you value the experiences and moments that have touched your heart. Remember, treasuring memories is about keeping those precious moments alive within you, always. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep treasuring those memories, and see you in the next video.